Changing the email link to your eBay account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address quickly. Step 1. Log into your eBay account. Visit the eBay website and log in using your current email address and password. Ensure you have access to your account before proceeding. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, navigate to the Account section. You can find this by clicking on your profile icon, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Select Personal Information. In the Account Settings menu, look for Personal Information or a similar option. Click on it to access your account details, including your email address. Step 4. Update your email address. Find this section that displays your current email address. Click on the Edit button next to it. Enter your new email address and confirm it as required. Step 5. Save changes and verify. After entering your new email, save the changes. eBay may send a verification email to your new address. Check your inbox and follow the instructions in the email to verify the change. Once you have completed these steps, your eBay account will be linked to your new email address. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to eBay customer support for assistance.